Thank you.
So they have a supplement for off-roading, I suppose.
So guys, I'm in Chamundi Hills right now, going to the temple. And as you can see, this is on the way to the temple. As you can see, there is a market also. This is right going to the temple. To the side. Guys, as you can see, this is a must visit temple in Mysuru when you come. Okay, you can come all day. The temple is always open now. You can also make your parking arrangements here. And this is the temple, guys. Also, I've heard, of course, I'm coming after such a long time to Mysore, but I've heard from this Chamundeshwari temple, there's also a lovely viewpoint. So guys, temple is just too beautiful, and see the devotees, guys. Too much of crowd. Okay, there's also the viewpoint, guys. If you see, you can always come, pray, and go. Right now I am at the KGF Palace. If you all have seen, guys, this in the KGF movies, this is Rocky's house, and it is in Mysore, and this is also known as the Lalitha Mahal, which is now a hotel here. It's a stay, but I've come to show you. This is another most famous attraction in Mysore. So you all should come here and explore. I'll explore these places, guys. The cameras are not allowed, so I'll try and do my best to show what's inside. Okay, guys. This is the dining area. Look at this, guys. This is crazy. I mean, this is only for the people who are staying here. This is residents. This is the whole buffet setup, and it looks amazing. So guys, this is where the KGF was shot. This whole palace that I'm showing you guys. In fact, we are not allowed to go out because this is only for residents. Guys, also if you are in Mysore, you can come to the golf course here. This is the Jayachamaraja Wadiyar golf course. Look at this, guys. This is a crazy golf course, huh? Anna, 2 seconds, huh? This is such a beautiful golf course, guys. So if you all come down here, I know there is entry, security is not allowing me, but this is the golf course that you can come, and I think there is a membership or some entrance fee which is there. You all can play golf. So guys, we are at the Mysuru Palace now. This is another most important tourist attraction in Mysore, guys. This is the main area. That's where I parked the car for 50 rupees parking. This is the entrance, guys, for the Mysuru Palace. I'll show you all what's happening inside. It's Saturday, so it's going to definitely be crowded. And this is the ticket area. So I'll show you all what's happening inside. So guys, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, I've entered this place. The ticket costed us what? 240. So I think it's 120 per person for adults. This is another temple that you can see inside the palace. That is the palace, guys. And you can see it is crowded. So we've never been inside the palace before. So today I'm going to show you all, guys, what is there inside the palace. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So guys, I think there's some function that is going on there, but I'm going to enter the palace from this side. From this side, right? Yeah. I mean, that's another end of the palace, but I think this is how we need to go. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to go inside and show you all what's inside. I think it's pretty minimal. It's a nice palace, guys. देखते हैं अंदर क्या है भाई. Guys, the thing is that this is something new here. It says to leave your footwear here. So you're not allowed to enter the palace with your shoes on. This is something new. Everyone is actually removing their shoes, keeping it at the counter here, and you have to actually enter without your shoes. That is ridiculous, guys. But okay, I'm not going in, but I'll show you what I can show you from outside. So this is basically. So guys, right now I am in another location here. This is the famous Saint Philomena's Cathedral. It's one of the oldest cathedrals in Mysore, guys, and it's very beautiful. It's compared to like the foreign architectures, and it looks very beautiful, guys. When you come down to Mysore, guys, this is the place that you should come to. Look at the cathedral, guys. It is so beautiful. So I think this is definitely like you know, more than 100 years old if you look at it. But let me go inside, guys, and show you all how it looks like. So this is the entrance of the cathedral. Look at this architecture, guys. It is just amazing. So this is the biggest church in Mysore and one of the oldest churches in India as well. And the architecture is just crazy, out of this world. So this is just beautiful. And that's of course the church that I don't want to film inside, but this is all the surroundings. So this is how it looks, guys. So I want you all to come here if you all are visiting Mysore. It's a good spot. You can click pictures and all that stuff here. So I don't know much about the history, but I just wanted to visit this place here. Look at it here, guys. It's so beautiful. So guys, if you look at this place, it is again in the midst of Mysore, and I come to this most famous joint right driving from Bangalore to Mysore, guys, just to show you all this place. So immediately go ahead and subscribe. So this is called Sapa Bakery. It's the most famous bakery here in Bangalore, guys. It's a German bakery, and they serve both savory as well as desserts as well. So this is how the vibes are. I'll show you all what's inside as well, guys. So this is how it looks here, and this is the whole vibe check. I'll show you all what's inside. So this is how the crowd is in the afternoon. So guys, this is how it is inside of Sapa. It's such a nice joint. Sit. So if you see the whole bakery, this is how it looks. And of course I've come here to dine in, but you can also take away this whole bakery section. So stay tuned, guys. And we're coming first time here, so we really want to know like what's the best. I saw a couple of videos, and even I'm a YouTuber, but I really want your recommendation, like in non-veg.